I'm now in an electric car and we are driving to our meeting point for the start of our tour through the city of Hoi An.
I'm taking a masterclass in making traditional Vietnamese lanterns. I'm very happy with the result. In the heart of Hoi An City, the Japanese covered bridge is a permanent emblem of Hoi An's old town, a well-preserved trading port and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's built in the 17th century by the Japanese community, making it older than in any other famous bridges in the area. The Ten-Key Old House, with more than 200 years of history, is considered as a living museum. Its unique architecture of ancient Hoi An and long-standing traditional sculptures have made this house a household name for many tourists. Here you see the water level during the many floods. The Quan Cong Temple was built in 1653 by the Chinese people. It's a famous attraction in Hoi An ancient town. This place is not only a unique spiritual and architectural work but also a place that preserves the traditional cultural values of ancient Hoi An.
When it comes to pagoda, it doesn't matter you're man or women or baby. We all have to dress up accordingly with long pants, cover your
I'm now in the taxi with 6 other friends, and we're going now to the beach in the restaurant and we have some dinner over there. I'm now at the beach, and it's Christmas Eve, and we have some dinner with friends. Here we're in the offshore club.
Alles. Groente.